So guys, bale, for today's video, mag-compute tayo ng monthly consumption ng 1.5 HP. 1.5 HP AC, air conditioning unit. So, split type. Split type. So, base sa conversion, ang 1 HP ay katumbas ng katumbas ng 746 watts. So, i-convert natin sa watts itong HP dahil sa ating bill, electric bill, ay gumagamit tayo ng kilowatts. So, sa 1 HP, mayroon tayong 746 watts. Magkano naman kung ang HP na gamit natin ay 1.5? So, 1.5 times 7 or 6 watts. So, that is 1,119 watts. So, mag-convert lang tayo ng ilang oras ba natin ginagamit yung aircon sa isang araw. So, halimbawa 8 hours or di kaya sabihin na natin na maximum of 15 hours. Day and night na siya. So, times 15 hours equals, that is 16,785 watts or 16.785 kilowatts times, i-multiply lang natin by 30 days. 16 times 30, that is equals 503,550, or that is 503.55 kilowatt hour. So, ito yung magiging basehan ng ating monthly consumption for aircon itself. So now, let us say that we have our 503.55 kilowatt hour monthly consumption. Tapos, for example, yung residential price ng kuryente is 14. So, that is 14 pesos times 503.55 kilowatt hour. Excuse me. That is 7,049.7 for aircon itself. So, in summary, we have our aircon that is rated at 1.5 HP with 15 hours daily for 30 days. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching.